A focused look gathers around the Stellar's sea cow and explores how a revival might reshape Arctic coast ecosystems and cultural memory. Researchers discussed genome comparisons with dugongs and whales while debating practical hurdles from sequencing to nurturing a viable population in the wild. Ethicists caution that restoration raises questions of intervention, animal welfare, and long-term ecological costs, inviting viewers to weigh human curiosity against planetary boundaries. Policymakers and conservationists share strategies for habitat restoration, legal guardrails, and risk mitigation before any revival steps occur. The episode invites curiosity about science informed by history and responsibility, encouraging viewers to imagine informed futures.